So Amazon is going to lay off 30,000 workers tomorrow and replace them with AI and robots. 30,000 families are going to lose their primary breadwinner because AI is going to take their jobs. Amazon, well, they're going to make more money than ever. Record profits. One of the world's richest men is going to get richer. People at the bottom, the leftists, the communists, are all going to cry and complain about how unfair this is, how this must be stopped, how we need to legislate this. You cannot legislate a large company into not making as much money as possible. And if you do successfully, in the end, they somehow fail. Let's be professionals. What's going to happen across the coming decade? Is this going to become more common an occurrence, or is this a rare one-off? Is AI going to take everybody's jobs? Is everybody going to continue to lose their ability to make money? Or is this just a one-off, a freak accident, a random hurricane that came and decimated all these families? It's not going to happen again. This is the beginning of a trend. And the trend is clear, the trend is unstoppable, and there is no turning back now. You need to be able to make money yourself without a job as a human. You can no longer just be a cog in the machine, because cogs can be replaced by machines for the machine. You cannot replace Andrew Tate with AI. His stories, his unique perspectives, the things he's been through, Andrew Tate is always worth money. There are things you can do as a human, as a man, to always be able to generate money. And even more importantly, you can do what Amazon is doing. You can do what I am doing. And you can do the same by training the machines to work for you. If machines are good at jobs, then you should have machines working for you to pay you money. No? All you have to do is learn how to program them. All you have to do is learn how to solve the problems that people will pay for using the readily available AI tools on the internet, and we will teach you how to do exactly that. Machine takeover is coming. If you're a job, and your job is the kind of normal cog in the machine, middle management, ministerial, if you're doing something like moving things around a warehouse or operating a forklift, all of these jobs are going to be completely replaced, and you're going to become insignificant. You're not going to be able to feed your family. If you do something particularly human, very unique, which allows you to fight against the machines, you're in the second safest category. But truthfully, the safest category for you to be in, considering the trend is clear and that has no chance of reversing, and that the AI is coming here to take everybody's job, the clearest and safest path for you to take is to get machines to work for you.